What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a highly requested video. On Instagram, I've told you guys several times that I only wash my hair once a week. So I first want to explain why I do that. I have 2 rows of sew-in extensions in my hair, and it's just honestly a really big pain in the butt to wash it. I even bought a Dyson blow dryer, which I love. It only takes me like 6 minutes to blow dry my hair now, so that's really awesome. But it's still just like a pain in the butt, and like getting all up in here and washing it and blow drying it, just like everything. So I put it off as long as humanly possible. So I only do it about once a week. If I do have an event or something else coming up where I need fresh hair for a certain hairstyle, I'm gonna go through kind of like what hairstyles need to fall on what day for me. But if I need to wash it because I need to wear my hair straight or something like that, I will wash it more than once a week, but typically I can get by with about once a week. So the first thing about getting your hair to last a week in between washes is how you actually wash your hair. If you go and get a blowout from Blow Dry Bar or Blow or any of those places, they should double shampoo your hair to make sure your scalp is as clean as humanly possible. So when I do wash my hair, I wash it twice. The first time I wash it, I use Head and Shoulders, and I've done ads for Head and Shoulders, but it's because I actually use this. Like, this came straight out of my shower. I use Head and Shoulders. I've used Head and Shoulders since I was a teenager, and I do get dandruff and like really like a ton of flakes in my hair if I don't use this. I've gone through different times not using it just to go right back to it because honestly nothing works as good. I know all hairstylists, I can see a hair in my viewfinder. All hairstylists yell at me for using this, so take that with a grain of salt. And I also don't color my hair. I've heard from several people that if you've color treated hair, this is a no-no. My extensions, oh, I just hit a thing. I avoid my extensions when I do it, and I just wash my scalp with this. But no matter what I use, I start with Head and Shoulders, and then I have like this one hair. It's really driving me crazy. And then I go in with Living Proof shampoo. Now, when I got my extensions installed, the girl who did them told me about Living Proof, and I don't know, I've seen a lot of people post about it, so I was like, okay, I'll try it. But she told me about the Perfect Hair Day line. So I bought a shampoo and conditioner of that, and I ran out of the shampoo, and I live in Houston where it's very humid, so I bought the Frizz shampoo thinking that that would help. I honestly didn't notice a huge difference, and I think I liked the Perfect Day, so the gray one, better. So do as I say, not as I do. I'm just using it because it is a little expensive, but when I run out of this, I'm going to buy a shampoo in the gray bottle. But so I double shampoo, use the shampoo, and then I use the conditioner. So that's the first thing to help your hair last longer. Can you see? I think you can see the tubes in my in my frame here. So the next thing that I do is when my hair is wet and I'm about to blow dry it, because I think with sew-ins you actually can let your hair naturally dry, but I don't like to do that just because I feel like it's extra weight on it. So I like to immediately go ahead and blow dry, and I use the Hair Wow. I don't know if you guys can see it. Wow, mine has so many fingerprints on it. So it's the Hair Wow from Color Wow. It's the Dream Coat, and I spray this all over. I love this thing. I was also skeptical about this product. Can you guys tell there's a theme? I'm skeptical about all beauty products. I'm like, I don't believe you. I was skeptical about this, and even the first few times that I used it, I have really fine straight hair, and I've heard that this makes like crazy life-changing results on girls with coarse and naturally curly hair. So I definitely noticed a difference from this, don't get me wrong, but when I really noticed that this worked is one day I was running late to the airport and I didn't spray every strand. That's the downside of this product, is every strand has to be sprayed, and I have a lot of strands, so I missed a pretty big piece. And when I was blow drying my hair, I had like this one insanely frizzy piece of hair, and I was like, whoa. I was like, wow. I was like, Hair Wow. I swear this is not an ad for Hair Wow. But it does keep your frizz at bay, and it just makes your hair look better. So I really think this helps me go longer in between washing my hair as well. I think this is a great product. This product says that you can use it every this product says that it lasts every 3 washes. However, because I go a week without washing my hair, I haven't found that the product has held for 3 washes for me. So I use this every time I wash my hair, which is fine because like Wes said, name of this video, it's only once a week. Okay, so the next thing about how to get your hair to last longer is to plan out your hairstyles based off of the number of days that your hair is dirty. I don't know if that makes sense or not, but normally the first day that I wash my hair, I'll wear my hair straight. If you guys follow me on stories on Instagram over at MadisonReedPayn, shameless plug, if I wore my hair straight that day, I probably washed my hair, and so that way whenever I do my blowout with my hair wow, my hair is ready to go and I don't have to use any other products in it. The longer you go without using products such as hairspray, mousse, any of those in your hair, the longer your hair will last you between washes before it starts to kind of look like hay. That's inevitably what makes me wash my hair, is because my hair will start to get frizzy and look like hay on day, like, I would say my hair starts to get frizzy around day 6 on it. So what I do is normally the first day I wear it straight. Sometimes the first and second day I wear it straight. On second, third, maybe even fourth day, I'll wear my hair like it is, where it's a more relaxed curl, where I don't have to use a lot of hairspray. I just use a tiny bit of Tresemme as I'm holding the curl, and then I comb most of it out. And then if I have any frizzies, I actually spray the back of my hand and I run it over it. So it's not like we're not making our hair crunchy. And then I save my tighter curls for that day 5 and 6 range, and even maybe on day 6 or 7 I'll do a super tight curl, like the bubble curl. I'll put it in here because your hair can be like frizzy and dirty and all the things by the time you get to that kind of curl. Also on day 6 or 7 I might do a sleek bun, or I have that hairstyle, I'll put a photo of it here, when I went to go see J-Lo, where I did that little pony back, and it's like a half up, half pony, and like all of this had to be slicked back with gel. Well, you don't want to do that to your hair on the first day after washing it, because then you're going to need to wash it again. Obviously, if I have an event and I didn't plan out my hair washing, I will just wear my hair how I'd like to, and I will wash it later, or wash it, you know, only after a day. But for the most part, if you can kind of keep your hair from the least number of products to the most products, then that's what can help you last the full 7 days. Also, some of you guys asked me, how do I work out and get my hair to last that long because your hair looks greasy? I 100% understand. I actually have very, very oily hair, and whenever I work out, it just looks like a big old grease pit. The key to that, to making your hair revitalize after a workout, is to blow dry your hair first. Do not put dry shampoo on wet hair. You're gonna make a paste. It's gonna be flaky. It's gonna be not flaky. It's gonna be like just like pasty. It's gonna be disgusting. So make sure when you get done with the workout, immediately go blow dry your hair, and then when your hair is dry, even if it looks greasy or whatever, then you can use a dry shampoo. And my favorite one from the drugstore is the Batiste Divinely Dark. I only use dry shampoos for brunettes because I will look like I'm going early gray if I use one that's just meant for everyone. So I like the Batiste one. This one you can get at the drugstore, Walmart, all of that. My all-time favorite one though is going to be the EVO Water Killer, and it's also made for brunettes. This one smells like a man's cologne. It is so sassy. I am like really, really into this. I forget how much the price is. I'll put it on here. I want to say it was like $30. Maybe it's like $27. I don't know. Now I'm straight up guessing. But I remember it being a little expensive for me to be like, oh, I use dry shampoo like all the time. It's kind of a lot for that. But it's a really fantastic dry shampoo. If the price doesn't scare you off, this is awesome. And like I said, it smells so good. So those are my tips on how to get your hair to last longer. It is to double shampoo, make sure your scalp is super, super clean by the time you go into it. It's to use the Hair Wow that's going to protect your hair from frizz. It's going to make your hair look beautiful, make it last longer. It's to plan out your hairstyles in accordance to the number of days of washes. So those straight and more sleek that you need your hair to look really pretty, do those, and maybe not even as much volume, because when I need a really voluminous hairstyle, I need my hair to be dirtier. Like a super curly look, it holds better when my hair is dirtier. So you move from the sleek hairstyles to maybe the curlier hairstyles, or even wearing your hair up, have a cute ponytail on day 6 or 7, got a bun, slick something back, and then wash it on day 7. And then for my girls who work out, remember to blow dry your hair first, and then use the dry shampoo. So that's it, you guys. I hope you all found this video helpful. These are my tips of how I go 7 days without washing my hair. If you guys have any questions, leave them for me below. Also, if you liked my hair in this video, I did do a tutorial on how to get these kind of blowout big curls that I'll link down below. Until my next video, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at MadisonReedPayn. I have a blog of the same name, MadisonPayn.com, and I hear all the YouTubers say this, so I'm gonna start saying it. Make sure you, like this video, thumbs it up, subscribe, turn the bell on. Okay, I'm done. Until I see you guys in my next video.